Every message from your website is a potential opportunity, and you don't want a single one to get lost. Let's connect your Wix contact form directly to your email inbox in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Wix account and enter the editor for the site you want to work on. Navigate to the page that contains your contact form. Click directly on your contact form to select it. You'll know it's selected when the formatting toolbar appears above it. Now click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Forms toolbar, this is where we control where the form submissions are sent. In the Settings panel, make sure you are on the Manage Form tab. This is the central hub for all your forms functionality. Look for the option labeled Send Email Notifications, and toggle the switch to the On position. This activates the feature that forwards submissions to an email address. A new field will appear called Email to send. To click into this field, and carefully type the email address where you want to receive all the contact form inquiries. Just below, you can customize the email subject line using a clear subject, like New Website Contact. Helps you quickly identify these messages in your crowded inbox. Once you've entered your email and subject, simply click the blue Done button at the bottom of the panel. Your settings are automatically saved. And that's it. From this moment on, every time a visitor fills out and submits that contact form, a notification will land directly in your specified email inbox, ensuring you never miss a lead or a message again.